Pretty often you will face the issue. After the yellow line, you apply the algorithm, but don't get a yellow cross. Take the cube as shown, the yellow line is here, and this edge looks at you his yellow side. Now we will apply the algorithm, placing the edge to the right, and send it to the middle layer on the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn the cube and look at the white corner. 6, 7, 8, 9. We have put this yellow edge at the middle layer. Now we again will send it to the top. How we can do it? Put back our green edge from the top to this spot. Now we should put it in the middle layer. And this yellow edge will be located the yellow side to the top. We should apply the algorithm, placing the edge to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn the cube and look at the white corner. 6, 7, 8, 9. Now we have fixed our problem and we have the yellow cross on the top layer.